Hi, this is John from johnmichaelmarketing.com, and before I reveal to you a super simple way how you can make some extra money online, you don't need any prior experience, any technical skills. You can do this with free tools from anywhere in the world. I quickly invite you to click on the link in the description box right here below this video so you can get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. And if you're excited to see what's coming up, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every single time I launch a new video on different ways how you can work online and earn an extra income from home. All right, so without further ado, let's get right to it. Now, a few days ago, I did a video on user testing. Now, this is not about user testing, okay? It's about a great opportunity that I've discovered that you want to take advantage of as soon as possible. And you have to stick until the end because I'm going to give you a very important tip to get this going. So I told you about user testing. Now, what is user testing? User testing pays you $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. Now, user testing charges other people, other companies, for these short videos $49 each. All right, so keep that in mind. Now, user testing is a huge company. There's a lot of demand for user testing. And I'm quickly going to jump onto one of my favorite websites here, Fiverr.com. And I'm going to go to Programming in Tech and click on user testing. Now, I'm going to filter these by best selling. All right. Now, here there are a lot of sellers on Fiverr that are doing this. Okay, they are reviewing, let's say, a website. They go to visit a website and they try to sign up, for example. They try to open an account and they answer different questions. Was it easy to create the account? Did you have any difficulties? Blah, 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 blah. But I noticed, okay, and here's the great opportunity for you. Okay. And it's great now that I'm making the video, so you better hurry, take advantage of this before thousands of people start doing this. All right, so if you see most of these people, they are charging, let's say, $5, okay, and they don't have a lot of demand, okay. Now, they don't have so many gigs, and most of them, if you search, they are doing PDF. So, for example, if I open here, now this guy has 23 reviews, and he's doing PDF. Okay, so he's giving you a summary report. Okay, summary report, annotated screenshots. And most of them, if you go through them, they're giving you, it says PDF report. Now, this guy who's got the most sales here, if I click on here, you're going to see that this guy does actually a video screen recording of his experience, voicing out his opinion, okay, and how things work. Exactly what user testing here is. Huge company, okay, they're user testing for Google, for Twitter, for Facebook. So he's doing the exact same thing, and he's starting at $10 for 5-minute video. All right, so let's see how much this guy has already made from this gig. All right, so his average product here is $15. Okay, we've got 35, 15, and 10. And he's got 1,548 reviews. Now, these are only reviews. He could have a lot more people that have purchased. I'm sure he has, that don't leave a review. So let me just pull out a calculator here, and let's make a quick calculation. So we've got 1,548 times 15. That means he's already made over $20,000 just from this gig alone. So as you can see, there is a lot of opportunity for profit with this. Basically what he does, he visits a website and he records the screen for 5 minutes. Okay, and he answers a few questions and describes his experience. Now, this is a lot more powerful because people, they want to see, the companies, that's what they like. Okay, they want you to show your experience and speak it out, not a PDF report. That doesn't give them so much value. And you can very easily do that using a free software that I use, okay? And it's called Screencast-O-Matic. The link is below. Now, there is a free version. All you do is you'll just click on Launch Recorder. It's going to download. You're going to open it, and you're going to click Start Recording. You will see this, and you're going to hit on the red record button right here. Now, you can use this for free. I'm using the pro version, And if you click on my link, you can sign up and get a 20% discount. You don't have to sign up for it and pay for it. Okay, but it's really, really cheap, and it's going to make you look a lot more professional because you're not going to have the Screencast-O-Matic logo, and it's not going to limit your recording time. Okay, so it's really cheap. Now, $18 a year plus with my 20% discount is nothing. And with this, you can easily record your screen and voice your opinion, okay, in what's happening, and explaining the process of, for example, signing up or visiting a store and browsing through the products and all of that, different examples the client is going to be asking you to do. So you can also do that on apps. And one very high quality program that I'm using is to record on my phone is the DU Recorder. Now this is for Android, and I use the DU Recorder live here from the App Store for my iPhone, and it's amazing. Okay, super simple to use, and it's free. All right, so you can, for example, they might tell you to review an app. Okay, maybe they launch a new app and they want you to go through the process and give your feedback on how easy it is to use or any ideas for improvement. Okay, you might also need to tell them some ideas. For example, here I cannot click on this button. It would be nice if you changed it and you made it bigger so it's easier to tap on the button, for example. All right, so this is a fantastic opportunity because very, very few people are doing this. Okay, because people are afraid to make a video. Okay, and talk. They don't like that. So if you can step out of your comfort zone and do a short video like this for your client, they're gonna love you for it. Okay, and to make a 5-minute video and get paid $10, okay, just to browse their website and just voice your opinion is really, really easy way to make money. Okay, so I highly recommend you check this out. You test out the Screencast-O-Matic software. Okay, this is the one I'm using. I'm just showing you the interface here. All I do is just hit record, and I start recording my screen, and then you will install also this DU Recorder on your Android or iPhone, work with them a little bit, come to Fiverr.com, click here where it says Become Seller, sign up for Fiverr, I've got the link below, and create a gig. Okay, create a gig. These are called gigs. Now, when you're going to be creating your gig, I want you to go and make a research of what other people are selling and what they're offering, and to give you kind of a competitive advantage so you can start your business and scale it up a lot faster. I want you to provide very good services. Okay, preferably you want to provide like maximum of what everybody's providing and give them a slightly lower price. Okay, so you can encourage people to try you out. Okay, now I always say this, whenever you're starting anything, you need to keep in mind that you are like everybody started from zero. Okay, you see Fiverr, you see many here sellers, you see this guy with 1,000 reviews and you say, oh my God, how am I going to compete with this guy? Well, this guy also started from zero, and you need to start from zero. And if you offer exceptional service, you respond there to your clients, and overall they're happy from you, they're going to come back again and again. Okay, usually many of them, they can be big companies or they're launching new services, and they always want to test, people to test their things. It's got a huge demand. All right, so if you do a great job, soon you could be this guy here with 1,000 reviews or even a lot more, having your own business, working from home, setting your own schedule, and being your own boss. Okay, this is what we all want. All right, so if you got any value from this video, smash the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, selecting the bell icon so you can get notified every time I launch a new video on different ways that you can work online and earn an extra income from home. And before you leave, don't forget to click on that link right here below in the description box to get instant access to my #1 recommendation to working online. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and really looking forward to seeing you on our next video. John Michael signing off. Bye-bye.